I've been in New York, I've taken many classes in New York City. I could tell who had a training from the University of Utah.
I really feel like I'm leaving here ready to start a performing career.
It's extremely rigorous. They work you really hard. Once you're out and once you're in a touring company or any modern dance company, you're going to work harder than you've ever worked in your whole life, and you're going to be more tired than you've ever been in your whole life. And I really feel like they set you up for that.
I feel like the faculty is very student-centered, they're very professional, and they have the highest quality of work.
I love the feeling of community that the department has.
I have a lot of friends who are in Juilliard and NYU, and it's been really fascinating over the years sort of comparing notes. I feel like far and away, when I compare the experiences I've had getting to work so closely with the faculty, some of these other departments, it's a huge group of dancers, and you never get that one-on-one attention and connection with the people who are really impacting your life.